However, obviously it can handle gaming as well. My PC that I built, which if you want to check out that full video, I'll leave that at the top right of the screen right now. You can click on that card and go to that video, or you can check it out from the description down below when this video is over. The PC that I built is actually a production PC because I primarily do video editing and some photo editing as well. However, it handles gaming like nobody's business. Like, I can pretty much, without worry, record and stream any game in 60 FPS while playing the game in 1080p at max settings. I'm a 1080p gamer personally, and I can play any game in 1080p at absolutely ridiculous speeds on max settings as well. So this PC, inside of it, has a Intel i9-14900K. It has an Arctic Liquid CPU cooler. The motherboard we use is the MSI Z790 Gaming Pro LGA 1700 motherboard. The RAM is the G.SKILL Ripjaws 64 gigs of DDR5 6000 MHz RAM.